Hey guys, and welcome to JTechWP. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to translate an Elementor website using TranslatePress into multiple languages for free. If you've got any questions, leave a comment below. I've also put some useful links where you can get Elementor Pro and also awesome WordPress hosting that runs on Lightspeed. Let's go. First thing we want to do is go to Plugins, Add New, and up to the search bar, and we're looking for TranslatePress Multilingual. Install now, activate. Now we need to go into Settings, TranslatePress. On the main screen, the first thing we want to do is choose the language that we want to add by clicking here. I want to choose Welsh because it's a Welsh site. Click on that and then I press Add. If you want to add more languages, you can just select them and keep pressing Add. I'm only going to add the one, and the rest of the settings you can leave as default. Once you've selected a language, scroll to the bottom and Save Changes. To edit a page, we go Pages, All Pages, Edit with Elementor. Now the main thing with this is it's not going to show up in the main Elementor page builder. To get to it, we need to go down to the little eye tool here, which is Preview Changes. Click that. Now what you'll see at the top is a button that says Translate Page. Click on Translate Page. And now all we need to do is just hover your mouse over the element that you want to change. So if I wanted to change this, I would click on the pencil tool. And then I put my Welsh translation in here. And then if I want to click on Make an Appointment, click on there and you see there the text is highlighted. So I could put the Welsh version in. And you could carry on throughout the whole page. So if you wanted to change this paragraph into Welsh, I click on the pencil tool and it's showing you the English version. And then you put your translation in there. Just remember when you do it, press Save Translation and that's how you do it. Don't forget to close the window. But that's it, your site will now be able to function in multiple languages or a single language, whichever you want to do. And then you just repeat the process by going to Pages, All Pages, edit your next page, edit with Elementor, click on the Preview Changes button. As soon as the page loads, go to Translate Page, click on that. And it's exactly the same as we just did before. Click on the pencil, there's your English version, change the text to your language, and the same with the descriptions. There's the English version, put the Welsh version in here, and always remember to press Save Translation for each one. And you close it when you're done. And that's it, that's all you need to do. One other setting that's worth looking at, if you go into Settings, TranslatePress, is where you're going to put the flag on the screen. So I can scroll down to the bottom of the page. We can see there it's got floating language section, flags with full names. You've got several options. You can select which one suits you. I like to have flags with full names. You can select whether you have dark or light. Bottom right. I normally put it at the top right because it's easy for people to find. So we'll select that. Save Changes. I've gone back to the site and we can see now the translation's there and we've got our flags. If you don't like where the flag is and it's pretty limited on options, we can go into TranslatePress, back to Settings, TranslatePress. Scroll down to the bottom, it has a shortcode, so you could copy this. We could turn off the floating language section, save changes. And then all we're going to do is go into our header. So we're going to Templates, Theme Builder. Into the header. Edit. And what I would do is I probably duplicate the search icon column. So right click, duplicate. Okay, it's going to mess up our sizing a little bit, but that's not a problem. We'll fix that in a moment. I'm going to delete that out of here. So we've got our column. Then do a search for shortcode. Drag this in. Paste in your shortcode. And there we go, it's appeared. And then you just resize your various columns. And then you can press the update once you're happy with it. And then check it on the front end. Obviously, you can spend a bit more time styling it than I have now, but it will just give you a rough idea how to do it. And then when you hover over it, we can see there it gives you the different options. So if you did want to do it with Elementor, you could do it that way. As we can see here, the client's gone through on every single section and he's translated all of it. This is the finished site. So if I go to the Welsh language, it's all translated. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a comment and hit that like and smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.